Get TiVo and skip the stuff you don't want to see. Learn more at TiVo.com.
What is up, everyone? This is Georgia the Techie back again with another review. A couple of weeks ago, I received an email from YouTube as a subscriber to the service with an offer for a free TiVo Stream 4K device, which they are promoting along with an upcoming 4K add-on service. I had two immediate thoughts. First, TiVo? Last time I remember TiVo being a thing, it was like the year 2000. But hey, good on them for staying alive throughout all these years. My second reaction though was, why would YouTube TV partner with TiVo? Shouldn't they be promoting their own streaming device instead? The Chromecast with Google TV is certainly capable of delivering 4K content. Then I remember the ongoing fight that YouTube TV currently has with Roku and thought maybe this is their way of getting one up on the competition. Who knows? Regardless of the reasons, I was really happy to get this $30 device for free and to try it out. So let's unbox this real quick. The TiVo Stream 4K comes in a very colorful box highlighting Sling TV and the fact that it is compatible with the Google Assistants right up front. In the back, the packaging highlights its Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos capabilities, as well as Chromecast, and that it's powered by Android TV. When you open it up, the packaging reveals the now very common HDMI TV dongle form factor, except this one will have the good old TiVo logo in front. There is also a remote included, which very quickly draws your eyes to the Netflix and Google Assistant shortcut buttons. And that sports an oval shape with indents on the center that feels very comfortable in the hand. It brings two AA batteries which power the remote, a USB power brick, and a USB to micro USB cable. I was quite disappointed to see that, as I had gotten my hopes up when I saw a USB-C port on the dongle. But as it turns out, the USB-C port is only for expansion, such as to plug in a dongle to add a mouse, keyboard, Ethernet cable, or even a game controller. Also, note that TiVo recommends to only use the charging brick that comes in the box in order to power the device. Setup was pretty straightforward, walking you through every step as you log into the device using your Google account, since it is essentially an Android TV device. Once your device is connected to your Google account, there is also an additional step of activating it on the TiVo website, which was no biggie. After the initial registration, the TiVo will try to learn about your viewing habits by asking you to choose between pairs of movies and TV shows. This helps it build further recommendations for you. You will then notice that it also recommends apps for you based on these selections, but some of these are forced recommendations that won't let you opt out. Sling TV is very obviously the default app for TV streaming, not YouTube TV. Once you're all set up, the interface is just Android TV with certain apps pinned to the top that you can add, remove, and move around, with the exception of a couple of their default ones. The home page serves as a central hub which houses all of your apps and curates your recommended or chosen content. If you pop into the TiVo Stream app, you'll find that it is simply an aggregator of all of your content, letting you know which services you can find it on, including content to rent or buy using Google Play. This integrated experience supports many streaming apps, but when it comes to using the DVR, again, it will want to use Sling TV. If you do not have Sling TV and instead want to use the TiVo with YouTube TV, as I imagine was intended for this promotion, then you can just pop into the YouTube TV app as usual and add content to your library to be recorded. As far as accessories, the TiVo does support Bluetooth. I was able to pair and use my headphones to watch movies and TV with no issues. The remote control can also be programmed to be used alongside your TV or audio receiver in order to use it to control the volume or power. After applying the latest software update, the streaming experience was buttery smooth, with no disconnects or crashes on YouTube TV. I had read in my research that there was a serious bug where YouTube TV would crash immediately after launching it, but this update seems to have fixed that. I was also able to stream from Netflix and Prime Video without any problems. Since this is an Android TV device, you can also install apps on it from Google Play, including Stadia. Now, since I am not a gamer, I can't really review that aspect of it, and I will let the experts have their word on that. The device normally costs about $40 US, but it is currently on sale for $30. Not bad for a dongle with 2 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of storage. Now, would I recommend it or use it over the Chromecast with Google TV? No, I don't think so. I found the UI on the TiVo to be a little cluttered, and I don't like to be pushed to have apps I don't want, like Sling TV. Furthermore, I prefer the way that Google TV is made with Google TV in mind as the default TV provider. And you can see that all over the interface, including the guide. This is something you cannot currently get on TiVo. However, if this isn't something that you care about at all and you just want something low price that you can use, then TiVo is a perfectly good choice. If you buy it now during their sale, you will definitely be saving $20 when you compare to how much it costs you to buy a Chromecast with Google TV. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, give this video a like. Also, please subscribe to the channel and click on that bell to be notified the next time I post. See you in the next one.